Hey everybody, Tyler here, Boulevard Home. We have another quick appliance tip for you that may save you a lot of pain and headache over the lifespan of your appliance. So we're talking dryers. We do hear customers at times letting us know as they call us with a new dryer, they're saying their clothes aren't drying. They're not getting as dry as they need to. They're still damp. All these new dryers have what they call a sensor dry feature inside the dryers. There's usually a bar that senses how much moisture is inside the dryer, in the back of the drum or the front of the drum. Every manufacturer has a different type of sensor dry. Many times what could be happening is the sensor is sensing inside the dryer that clothes are dry. It may be a certain article dried much quicker than the rest of the entire load, so this could be part of the situation. What is recommended there is instead of using the sensor dry, change it and use a time dry, and you'll find out your dryer will dry completely. You got to test it and figure out how much time that is best for you and your clothes. But instead of using the sensor dry, if you're having the issue of clothes not drying enough, change it, use a time dry, and it should solve all your problems. Hey everybody, hope you enjoyed the video. Check out our other amazing videos here on the Boulevard Home YouTube site. You can see many of these videos right here around me. Thank you for watching YouTube. We love you guys and have a great day.